Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to mute chats on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to mute chats on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to mute chats on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to mute chats on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Muting chats on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will mute chats on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your browser, and now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And then open any chat or group, and now click on three dots in the right top corner, and then click on mute notification. And now select your duration and then click on mute and your chat has been muted. So there you go. If you were wondering how to mute chats on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.